Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Dr. J here, and today we have a fascinating and deeply introspective topic to dive into, shadow work. In this video, we'll be exploring shadow work for beginners. If you're new to this concept, don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what shadow work is and how to get started on your own journey of self-discovery. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so I can continue to provide insightful content. So, what is shadow work? Shadow work is a psychological and spiritual practice that delves into the hidden and often overlooked aspects of our personalities. It's based on the belief that we all have a shadow, in other words, a collection of repressed emotion, desires, traits that we've pushed into our subconscious. These aspects can have a powerful influence on our own behavior, relationships, and overall well-being. Shadow work is about shining a light on these hidden elements, understanding them, and integrating them into our conscious awareness. It's a path to self-discovery and personal growth, helping us become more balanced and whole individuals. So let's talk for a minute about the origins of shadow work. Shadow work has its roots in the work of renowned Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. Jung introduced the concepts of personal unconscious and the collective unconscious. He believed that our personal unconscious contained our shadow, which holds all the aspects of ourselves we've rejected or ignored. Jungian therapy and later developments in psychology expanded upon these ideas and gave birth to shadow work as we know it today. So, why can shadow work be important? Shadow work is essential for personal growth and self-awareness. By exploring and integrating our shadows, we can uncover the source of self-destructive patterns, unresolved conflicts, and deep-seated fears. This process allows us to break free from the constraints of our past and make conscious choices about our future. That sounds good, right? It also enhances our understanding of others, fostering empathy and better relationships. Ultimately, shadow work empowers us to live more authentic and fulfilling lives. Specifically, some of the benefits of shadow work can include emotional healing. Shadow work helps you process and heal past emotional wounds. It also allows you to release pent-up emotions and experience greater emotional balance. Another benefit is improved relationships. As you understand and integrate your own shadows, you become more empathetic and compassionate, which can significantly enhance your relationship with others. Self-awareness is another benefit. Shadow work deepens your self-awareness, helping you make more conscious choices and reducing impulsive reactions. And we've all had those. Personal growth. It leads to personal growth and a stronger sense of purpose as you align with your true self. And last but not least, overcoming self-sabotage. By addressing self-destructive patterns and behaviors, you can break free from self-sabotage and self-limiting beliefs. So let's explore how to get started. Now that we understand what shadow work is and why it's important, let's discuss how to get started. Here are some steps to begin your journey into the depths of your psyche. First is self-reflection. Begin by setting aside some quiet, uninterrupted time for self-reflection. Journaling, meditation, and deep contemplation are valuable tools for this. Next, identify your triggers. Pay attention to situations or people that trigger strong emotional reactions. These can be indicators of your shadow aspects. Third, explore your dreams. Jung believed that dreams could reveal our shadow. Keep a dream journal and analyze your dreams for recurring symbols or themes. If you don't remember your dreams, that's okay. This is just for those times that you do. Seek support. Consider working with a therapist or trained professional who can guide you through the process. While shadow work is a powerful tool for personal growth, there are situations where professional support is necessary. Here's how to know if you might need some help with this. Overwhelming emotions. If you find yourself overwhelmed by the emotions and memories that surface during shadow work, a therapist can provide guidance and support. Trauma. If you've experienced significant trauma, especially in childhood, it's advisable to work with a mental health professional who specializes in trauma. Persistent struggles. If you've been struggling with certain issues for an extended period and can't seem to make progress on your own, a therapist can offer expertise and perspective. They're trained for this. Feeling stuck. If you feel consistently stuck or find that shadow work intensifies feelings of hopelessness, a professional can help you navigate this challenging terrain. And lastly, a lack of progress. If you've been practicing shadow work independently and feel like you've hit a plateau or aren't experiencing the benefits you'd hope for, a therapist can offer fresh insights and direction. Remember, seeking professional support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Therapists and counselors are trained to assist you in your healing journey and can provide invaluable assistance during your shadow work process. Whether you're doing this process with a therapist or on your own, it's important not to overlook the notion of compassion. Compassion is key in shadow work. As you uncover your hidden aspects, remember to be gentle with yourself. These aspects develop for a reason, often as a defense mechanism. Embrace them with empathy, as you would a wounded friend, rather than with judgment. Shadow traits can vary widely, but some common ones include jealousy, anger, arrogance, and insecurity. It's essential to understand that these are not inherently bad qualities, they're just parts of your whole self. The next step in shadow work is the integration process. Integration is really the ultimate goal of shadow work. It involves accepting and incorporating your shadow traits into your conscious self. This process can be challenging, but it's immensely rewarding. You'll find that your emotional reactions become less extreme, and you gain a greater sense of inner peace. So there you have it, a brief introduction to shadow work for beginners. Remember, this is a lifelong journey of self-discovery. It really never stops. It just evolves, and it can be very exciting. It's a process that invites you to embrace your entire self with all its complexities and contradictions. We all have them. Feel free to share if you have done any of this work in the comments and let us know how it went for you. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the exciting content coming your way. And until next time, keep shining a light on your shadows and embracing your true self.